Hey everyone, what's going on? Welcome to the channel again. And so it's been a while since the last time I worked on a car. And so what's going on today? So I got a pretty good product for the AE86. So as you can see now, the car is just pretty much underneath. It's not covered. Everything is exposed by the front. So the previous owner did some custom like a aluminum panel for the air duct for the intercooler or something. I did some duct tape. It's pretty sketchy work right now, but you can see I got a pretty good Beatrush under panel. So this one is a JDM brand, and so I got a pretty good price because actually this one has been kept by the previous owners, but he never got a chance to install now. So I'm gonna just put it on the car. So let's see what's going on with this. And apparently this one has a protection film. So after install, I just rip it off. But yeah, so this one is for AE86 Trueno. Yeah. So at the moment the car is really reliable, and the only problem I found is potentially the oil catch can. So I'm not 100% sure if this one is the correct setup by the previous owner. Or, yeah, you see, because you can see there's only one hose from the engine, like a rocker cover, to the catch can directly, but no other connection. And you can see the oil just spray out of the filter. So I'm assuming, so this one is supposed to go back to the turbo intake, is that correct? But I need to do some research because right now the car drives fine. So still getting the bad oil and some vapors down the catch can. Sometimes I need to drain it, but I just not 100% sure if this one is a correct setup or should I make a better one, probably make it higher. Because you just do some research first. So if you can give me some idea, leave the comment below. And now let's have a look, what should I do with this one. So let's see, it has some hardwares for the installation, some bracket and screws. Probably just need to have a look under the car, see if everything, the holes are matched. You can see the quality is really nice. So this one is the stainless steel, so it's not aluminum or aluminium or Hicks accent. But the other one is a aluminum bracket. Yeah, I always have a look on the manual. You see a couple of screws. It looks like only 6 holes, 5 holes. So it should be pretty easy to install. But I don't know if I need to remove some control arm or something. Hopefully not. Sorry guys, I think this is also aluminum as well. Yeah, but you can see the brush finish make it looks really like the stainless steel. So that's why you can have a stainless steel looking with the lightweight, right? Because it's pretty light, so I'm just assuming it's probably not the steel. And you can see we have the bracket here, and another 2 bracket and some bolt. So assuming probably this one just bolt on somewhere on the, I will see that later. And this 3 holes, just bolt on that. Yeah, easy. So I'll check up the car now, and let's get it started. And always remember, safety first, because you're gonna stay under the car for a long time, and you should never rush the process of checking out the car. So you can see, have to make sure everything is safe and stable. Yeah. Now let's find out where are those mounting locations. I think so. When I remove this, you can see I have to remove the bracket, and it's supposed to be mounted like this, right? So there's you can see the bolt here and not one on the other side. So this is for the front, and for the back, I think somewhere around the subframe or something. Let me check. Yeah, I just have to put my goggles on. It's pretty dusty when I rip something off. You can see. But first thing, I'm gonna remove this oak panel first. Yeah, I actually spent some time to do this, and it did a pretty good job to cover you can see this edge, so no air can escape. Yeah, no, just cut off some zig ties. This thing should just. Right. Check how nasty this thing is. Oh, wait a minute, I think that part is totally gone. I don't know what happened. Probably is still. Alright, it's already damaged. You can see that. Yeah. Okay, let's do some inspection first. Make sure everything is good. Get the intercooler. No cracks, right? Apparently. So every bolt is tight. Alright. Now you can see the installation tutorial is pretty straightforward. So direction like this to mount on these two bracket. The back one, 2 bolts with the supplied bracket. Right on the subframe, on the top of the subframe, so they bolt on together. Alright, I think just easy 10 minutes job, right? Pretty easy. Yeah, so before I install those bolts back, you can see they're quite dirty and nasty at the moment. Probably just give it a little soak with the W40. Yeah, just try to clean it and have a little bit rust protection. So those bolts has been using for almost 40 years. You can see there. Yeah, still pretty good. Not much rust. But definitely worth it to clean all the dusty thread before we put them back on. As for the old panel, I don't know, maybe I can use it because I'm thinking to make or I just buy a new one. Because if I use cover the radiator panel, so maybe have a better airflow to the intercooler, it's better cooling. So this size, you can see. I don't know, just throw it away. So those things just too beat up. Yeah, I'll get a new one. It's pretty cheap, just a couple, maybe $100 for the radiator panel. Alright, so let's put them back on. So this seems like a pretty easy job. pretty much like that. So we put the inner bolt on first. You can see even the thread maybe slightly bit up. So you can see there's a little dent around here. Yeah, but what do you expect? It's a 40-year-old car. Definitely have some imperfection. So this is not a big issue. Yeah, the problem is you can see the bolt, so the thread is a little stripped, so it's very easy to get cross thread, you know. So now it's okay. Yeah, just do it slowly. Yeah, so this side is slightly, so it's not crossed, but still a little tight. To put back, should be alright. Now let's do a test fit. Just trying to find out where is the so here my camera is too close. Okay guys, so my muscle is pretty sore, but I already found out the point, so which is a good thing. You can see that it's gonna be like this. So yeah. Okay, I'll install it now. Look at this bracket. So it's slightly tricky, but you just have enough space to slide in like this, and then you have to move it around. You can see make the hole. But the problem is when I installed it, so I need to be really careful because this thing is moving around. It's probably not that easy to put the screw on it. Alright, expected. So we have a little bit fitment problem, so I need to expand the slotty hole slightly further, a couple millimeters, so I can match that hole. I think not too sure, maybe they miscalculated a little tiny bit, so probably just another 3 millimeter further. Alright, let's do some cuttings. Yeah, just like that. So I need to make 3 of them. And yeah, doesn't have to be perfect looking, but yeah, just to make it work. Check this out guys, it's all done. So I just gonna do some minor adjustment on bolt on. Yeah, and you can see right now it just looks more complete, right? And you're gonna have better cooling and also the protection for the engine. I mean the oil sump, so some other under engine part, so much more better. Yeah, and I just done an oil change last week, so I don't have to remove it in the next 6 months time, which is okay. So it's much better. Alright, so let's remove the film. Actually the blue one looks alright, right? Just give it a look for the last time. Yeah, I'll probably just take a picture. Yeah. So this is the most satisfying thing, to remove the film. if you check out here, so there's some film on the logo. I'm gonna keep it, yeah, like this. Pretty cool. You can see the Beatrush logo. Whoa, so loud the noise. Check this out. Yeah, really nicely done. Yeah, so you can see from the engine bay, so it's fully covered. It feels pretty safe now. Right. Alright, so if you like the video, make sure to hit the like button. And so what can I say about this car? So front end is pretty much complete. Probably just do a little bit research on the oil catch can. I would definitely get a better setup. You can see the oil just all over the place. Just looks slightly messed up. Otherwise, yeah. So this car is really fun to work on. And, also recently I tried to do some drifting practice, and probably will go to Hampton Downs, do some wet ski pan training. Yeah, so I did a little bit on some empty lot, that's fake, some during the rain, but I think just it's better to get some proper training during the track day or the drifting event. So hopefully I can handle this car much better and to load the car right. So I'm quite into the drifting at the moment. And yeah, for sure this car is really fun to work on, and I probably will do some research on the oil catch can and just try to get a better setup. Definitely need a slightly bigger, probably use this space around here. And yeah, so also recently I'm into doing some drifting practice. So I did, I play a lot of games like Assetto Corsa, the drifting games, simulation. This car I did a few times, really fun to drift for sure. So I just want to get everything sorted, yeah, first before I really push this car to the limit. Because right now the rear tires, I'm not sure, maybe I should get some cheaper tires for skid. Because this one is quite expensive, and you can see it's already worn out a little bit, but I'm gonna show you some videos here for me doing some practice. You can check. So let's have a look. Yeah, that's everything today. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe. So hopefully in the future you're gonna see me on the track doing some drifting. So let's see. So see you next time.